Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, regarding the TCS 2024 batch hiring, TCS has clearly told to multiple colleges TPO that they are not going to hire through college this time. Instead of that, TCS will be hiring through TCS Launchpad portal. All the hiring details will be updated on this Launchpad portal itself. Before that, you have to register yourself. And when you are registering yourself, please make sure that you fill the correct data because it will be very difficult for you to edit the details later. Now, friend, TCS is expected to hire in the month of August. This launchpad link will be given in description. I will give more details about it. Now, friends, TCS is also hiring for 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 batch. You have to apply before 31st of July, that means tomorrow, and the test date is 12th of August 2023. Friends, earlier also I have done a video on that. So this is a reminder video basically for all of you so that you will be able to apply. Friends, here maximum package you can get 19 LPA, 2400 plus corporates like TCS, Tata Elxsi, TVS Motor, Geo. So there are many companies are there who will be hiring through this platform. Now, this link also is given in description. Friends, also in this video, I will be discussing about the syllabus. So how this syllabus is going to help you, right? And what exactly you have to prepare before the hiring comes and how you will be able to crack it. And friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon because friends, all hiring related videos, preparation related videos you can see, interview preparation related video, each and everything we do it on our channel. Now, before I explain, right? So what is the syllabus and how you are going to apply in TCS Launchpad portal, my dear friends? So roadmap for recent graduate to land a job in investment banking operation. Understand the investment banking operation domain, job opportunity and skill needed as a recent graduate. So if you have completed BCom, MCom, BBA, MBA, BSc, MSc, MA or other finance background and pass out year is 2021 to 2023, then you can register for free. The free roadmap webinar is on Wednesday, 2nd of August 2023 at 6 p.m. IST. This is a golden opportunity. Do not miss. It is completely free. So do register right now. Okay. Now, so friends, before we go to the syllabus and all, we will see TCS Launchpad. What exactly is this and what all you are going to get. So friends, be ahead of the curve with TCS Launchpad. Join our exclusive student committee for the 2024 batch. Other batch on this Launchpad platforms are not eligible. Okay. Friends, TCS Launchpad for the perfect career takeoff. So I don't want to read and waste your time, but you have to just go through it. So TCS Launchpad, you will be getting a lot of things like webinars will be there, how you will be able to prepare for the interview, Leaders Connect, Hackathon and Ideathons will be there, Tech News and TCS Byte. So all this, your TCS Ninja, TCS Digital, so all the profiles hiring will be from here itself, right? Okay. Podcast, quizzes will be there. So get started with TCS Launchpad. So here they have given a video link. So if you'll open this video, here they have explained why you need this TCS Launchpad. What is basically the use of this Launchpad for 2024 batch. So you can just go through that, right? Okay. Now, friends, again, if you come down, okay. So here they have given some FAQ. So how to participate in TCS Launchpad? They have given the complete process and they have given FAQ also, right? So, what is TCS Launchpad? So TCS Launchpad is a gateway to limitless growth for soon to be graduate looking to successfully transition from campus to corporate and work with global IT leader. So basically this will provide you that a chance from directly campus to corporate. So from your campus, you will be directly corporate means companies, right? So TCS, so from your campus, college campus, you will be able to work in the TCS company. Okay. Now, so here they have given all the details. Just go through it. And friends, any doubt is there, so please let me know in the comment section. We are definitely there to help you out. So please don't worry about that. Okay. Now, friends, okay, next is, so this TCS NQT. So friends, one thing which I wanted to make it very, very clear. So TCS 2024 batch hiring is completely free. You do not have to pay anything. But so if we'll talk about the previous years, right? So 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, then this particular hiring is a paid hiring. Okay, that means here what you have to do, my dear friends, so here you have to buy a certain package. Okay, and now you know the companies has started hiring, so now that problems will not be coming. So with your scorecard you will be able to apply to the multiple companies, right? See, already you have a profile at TCS, right? And here what you have to do, so you have to buy a package. Okay, so once you buy a package, then so on the 12th of August, before 12th of August, you will be getting a link to attempt TCS examination. Okay, and from there you'll have to attempt, and then you will be getting the scorecard for TCS examination. Based on that, you'll have to apply in this multiple seen companies. Okay, now friends, next, so if we'll talk about what exactly will be there for TCS, so we will be having aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and then coding section will be there. Okay, friends, if we talk about aptitude, then simplification, number system, percentage, profit and loss, average, time work, pipes returns, CISI, probability, permutation, statistics, data interpretation, problems on edges, time and distance, data interpretation, ratio and proportion, mixture, allegation, mensuration. Okay, and then puzzles, because I have marked it red because puzzles is not there in TCS. Now friends, coding, decoding, alphabetical series, number series, data sufficiency, figure and factual, order ranking, blood relation, sitting arrangement, analysis will be there as part of the reasoning. Okay, now friends, these two I will discuss. And friends, if you want to solve maths in mind, I will show you how easily you will be able to solve it here. So there are two questions are there, so question number 1 and question number 2. So friends, basically if you want to crack any IT company examination, then you have to solve most of the questions in your mind itself. Otherwise, it will be very, very difficult. Or even if you are using pen and paper, you have to make sure that you solve within 30 seconds. Like, a student multiplied a number by 2 by 5 instead of 5 by 2. What is the percentage error in the calculation? Now, most of the students will take X, okay, and all those things they will do. And whenever you will take X, even in your life also X will create problem. Even in mathematics also X will create problem, right? So basically, a student had to multiply by 5 by 2, and he multiplied by 2 by 5, right? So friends, 5 and 2 is there. So take LCM of 5 and 2, it will be 10, and multiply by that, and multiply by that, right? So this will be 5 times, and this will be 2 times. So basically 25 and 4 here. Now, so you have to calculate the percentage error. So percentage, always if you calculate on 100, it will be easy. Multiply by 4 here, multiply by 4 here. So definitely the error is 84%, right? So that fast you have to solve this kind of problem, right? So you see how much time you are taking and what technique I have used here, right, to solve this particular problem. Okay, so 84% because they're asking percentage in the question. Okay, now, so what is the remainder if 2 192 is divided by 6, right? So friends, here you take 2 3s and 2 4, so 8 by 6, so the remainder will be 2, and 16 by 6, the remainder will be 4. Now, so if you will divide, right, so if 2 to the power even means remainder will be 4, that's all. So you will mark the answer as option D, but most of you will leave the question and come back, right, because you have not done this kind of problem. Okay, now friends, so one more thing I wanted to tell you, friends. So if you want to become, okay, so if you want to become better in aptitude and reasoning, if you want to solve the questions quickly in the examination in limited amount of time, if you want to solve maths in mind, then we have started aptitude and reasoning 2 weeks workshop by Pratik sir for all companies. So right here we are going to do 200 plus aptitude and reasoning question, and the batch is going to start from 1st of August. Time is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and friends, basic to advanced level, and recording will be available on daily basis. And friends, we will be solving lot of previous year questions, right? So you don't have to worry at all. So you can see all these questions now. So all previous year questions we are going to solve in this particular session. So after this session, you will be easily able to at least, right, so solve 50% of the question or more than 50% of the question in any of the exam. Okay, so friends, for today, I will sign up here. I will sign off here, and in next videos, definitely I'll be waiting for you. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best.